Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2011 Chevy Malibu, a combination of performance and fuel economy. The Malibu is a great commuting car. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo with CD player and MP3 WMA capability, center armrest, USB connection, CD player. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.